Hey YouTube, this is Gracie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of an update video as well as a small DIY at the end, so definitely stay tuned for that. I wanted to show the bookshelf that I am now finished with, fully and completely finished. I refurbished these lockers about 7 months ago now, and if you'd like to check out that video, I'll leave a little tag to it right at the top here. I washed them, sanded them down, and spray painted them all myself. And I had this idea to create this bookshelf because I used to work for Pier 1 Imports, if you didn't know that already. And when we went out of business, I was like, I'm buying these lockers, those are mine. So that's what I did. I brought them home and I refurbished them and I turned them into this pretty cool bookshelf. The idea behind it was that I wanted to have this top row fully opened, propped open, with some lights and some things to display in them. However, I ended up needing them for storage, so that's why I didn't go ahead and do that. They mostly have things like my candles. I also have some like random stuff in here. This is kind of like my junk drawer, junk locker cabinet. And then in this one, I have a bunch of fabric and felt and things. And this one has some presents, so I'm not gonna open it because I don't want people to see. And this one here has like all of my electronic stuff, like my projector and some extra charging cords and things like that. However, at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a little DIY for you guys. And in these sets of lockers on the side here, I'm going to be using them for storage to hang all of my sunglasses, because inside has all of my DVDs, but on the sides of the door here, that's where I'm going to be hanging my sunglasses. So I wanted to walk through some of the items I have on my shelf. We have done some DIYs here on this channel. This is one of them. This is Harrold, the Abominable Snowman. And then if we go down a little bit, you'll see my Mickey purse, my Mickey Halloween trick-or-treat bucket purse. Then of course, my Coraline button box. And of course, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and over to Hagrid's hut. And he's home, so the lights are on. And a little bit down further are my Star Wars patches that I created by hand just with some fabric and some felt. And going up a little higher, we have all of my Harry Potter DIYs. And that's about it, I think, on here. Of course, I have my Harry Potter globe up here. And yeah, so those are all of my projects that I have here displayed on my bookshelf. And of course, if you'd like to check any of those videos out, they'll be available on my channel listed, but I'll try to leave some tags and stuff throughout the video. So let's go ahead and get into this DIY. As you can see, I have a lot of sunglasses and I've even gotten rid of some over the years, but this is my collection. I'm quite happy with them. I wear them almost every day. So they don't go to waste. But how I'm going to actually hang them is I'm going to use this really fun rainbow ribbon, and we're going to just basically make some loops at the end and then be able to hang the glasses or sunglasses off of them. So let's go ahead and get started and get some of our ribbon pulled out. Before I cut the ribbon, I need to know how long to cut it. So I'm going to be using these little command hooks that I've had in my junk drawer for like a bazillion years. I'm going to attach one here like I've done already, and one across the side here. And then we'll be measuring between the two hooks to see how long we need to cut our ribbon with a little bit excess so that we can make the loop on either side. Now I'm going to take a needle and thread and sew the loops together. But before I do that, I'm going to create the loops on either side and make sure that the ribbon still reaches across to each hook. Then I'm going to take that needle and thread and sew the loop shut right here. This is definitely the part where you can do alternative methods like using fabric glue or even hot glue. And here is the finished product. I had to put my sunglasses in rainbow order. I just had to do it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, be a part of my little DIY crew that loves Disney and Harry Potter and Marvel and fun DIYs. I hope you guys stay tuned for next week's video and that you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye!